Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages. It doesn't really matter, just open the keyboard. And right now all we have to do is to simply take a look at this option bar and enter the settings. If you cannot find them for some reason, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and you will be able to find them somewhere here. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of the languages which are applied. So we've got only English right now. Let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the language you would like to set. I will pick something graphical, I would say, in order to show you the difference. So let's tap on an of course, in my case, Arabic, and sometimes you will be also able to pick the region. So let's tap on it and tap on done here, and as you can see, the Arabic language has been immediately applied to this list. So we can go back to the keyboard in order to check the differences. And here we've got actually two different things. First of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I am typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. So after tapping on again, we can again back to English. So this is it. This is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not need two different languages added. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages and pick this edit icon in the right upper corner. Right now you can mark the language you would like to remove. So in my case it will be Arabic, and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, just like at the very beginning of the whole process, and after getting back you can see that the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.